Hey guys, I wanted to show you this little Easter craft that we included for today. And you're gonna need 2 brads for this. And we put these little brads inside of your bag that your parents picked up from the school a couple weeks ago. They look like this. Got a little circle and then it has little things like this. So you should have 2 of those brads. That's what you're gonna need for this project. Let me push this back through so you can see it. So, hang on, I don't want to break it. Okay, so your first paper looks like an egg like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna color it however you want it to look, and then you're gonna cut it down the middle. And then you're gonna color your bunny, cut him out too. So when you open it up, it looks like the bunny's ears. And then when you close it, it's just like an Easter egg, so it's kind of like a peekaboo. So what you're gonna do at the top, and your mom and dad can help you with this, you're gonna take your brad and poke it through one side of the egg and the top of the bunny's head, and then do your other brad on this side so that the ears can kind of go up and down. So you have your egg like this, and then when you twist both sides up, it's your bunny with his ears. Okay, when you finish this craft and you get it put together, I want you to send me a picture of it so I can see your cute little egg and bunny. All right guys, happy Easter.